I think SHARP helps RAs build their experience and get a taste for what it's like to do research. Most of us came in with no experience, but SHARP taught us how to be a research assistant, and it ties in with our major. First is that I really enjoyed learning how to lead a research study interview. The second thing was the all-hands meetings. It was good to share different perspectives with diverse people. For example, both RAs and staff have different experiences, different perspectives. I learned a lot, for example, about the LGBTQ community, diversity, different experiences of people with and without privileges. It was a really good experience.
First week I sat down with my mentor Liz and we kind of discussed the different routes we could go with this project. She mentioned that it had to have something to do with healthcare because that's what the Deaf Lab is about. But she asked me about my interests, and I have a big passion for user interface design. I love creating prototypes. So we combined those, and that's how the research project came to be. And talking to my other peers that are actively in the SHARP program now, it's pretty evident to me that they are also very passionate about their own projects. So I hope to see that continue, and I hope to continue to see the mentors supporting their mentees.
I really liked working on my project this summer. I think my favorite part was working on the machine learning part. When the image is taken in, you have a model that processes it and recognizes a hand sign. Just learning about machine learning in general has been really cool this summer. I was looking at the scope of the project, focus on this one thing first, which was just recognizing the H sign and getting that to work with a navigation application. For example, we have it go to a hospital when somebody holds up the H sign. We kept it really simple just so that I was in the scope of the summer.
SHARP was an opportunity for me to get my foot in the door of research. I think research is something I've wanted to do for many, many years, and this was an opportunity to get some experience and kind of meet people who can help me push my career forward. I'm very used to academia or academic classroom settings where a teacher tells you exactly what to write, exactly what to submit, like every single assignment is directed, whereas this was very self-directed. This was very kind of, I have the last say. My ideas are kind of what's pushing everything forward. Leanne is very, very kind, very patient. Whenever I had a random tangent or a random rabbit hole that I wanted to go down, and if I came in one day and I was like, hey, just what about this, what about this, what about this? And she just kind of let me talk about all of that and discuss it and explore it, and there was no real limitation for me, so I appreciated that. How has it benefited me? This has given me a great foundation to start with, a lot of confidence in knowing just a little bit more about how research works. This was a good first step. I know there are many more things waiting for me. I know there are different experiences to be had, but this was a great first step.